Welcome to JK Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the wildest and most jaw-dropping concept builds you've ever seen. A machine that isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion, a Dodge Motorhome fused with a full luxury home on top. Built to dominate the road and redefine how America thinks about travel. Now imagine this beast, not with 4 tires, not even 6, but 12 massive oversized heavy-duty tires, each one built like a monster truck wheel, lifting this luxury fortress high above the ground, giving it a stance so bold it makes everything else in the showroom look like a toy. This isn't just about power, it's about presence. The kind of presence that screams America's love for big, bold, unapologetic engineering. From the front, this Dodge Motorhome stares you down with a massive Dodge grille, armored LED headlights, and a stance that feels more military than civilian. It's aggressive, wide, and futuristic. But then your eyes go up, and that's where the real magic happens. Sitting on top is a full luxury modern home, complete with glass windows, rooftop lounge, and balcony. A home that looks like it belongs on a Hollywood hillside, yet it's built right into the body of this motorhome, with a sleek staircase climbing up from the side, like something out of a futuristic movie. This isn't RV life, this is luxury road dominance. Step inside and the lower section greets you with a driver cabin straight from the future, a wide panoramic windshield stretching across like a spaceship, holographic displays glowing with next-gen tech, leather captain chairs that make you feel like a king on wheels, and behind it all a luxury lounge, recliner seats, wall-mounted screens, and space for entertaining. This isn't just travel, this is a luxury suite rolling at highway speeds. Then you climb the staircase to the upper home and everything changes. Suddenly you're in a modern penthouse, premium wooden floors, king-size bedroom, open-plan living room with glass walls, and a rooftop lounge perfect for sunsets, barbecues, or just flexing on social media. The interior screams elegance, blending glass, chrome, and wood into a futuristic design that feels like the future of American luxury travel. Now picture it parked in a showroom with the USA flag hanging proudly in the background, lights reflecting off the polished gray body, a symbol of power, freedom, and ambition. This Dodge Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a bold reminder that bigger is better and luxury should have no limits. This is the American dream on wheels, part motorhome, part mansion, and all Dodge attitude. Built for those who don't just want to travel, but want to rule the road while doing it. This is luxury reimagined. This is Dodge pushing boundaries, and this is the future of travel.